Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 2025 Annual High School Ceramics Exhibition. I'm Beth Ann Gerstein, the Executive Director of the American Museum of Ceramic Art in Pomona, California. Joining me today to celebrate the next generation of ceramic talent from across the United States is my colleague, AMOCA's K-12 Education and Family Engagement Manager, Chinelo Ufandu. I would like to thank the Do Foundation, Robin and Ed Blayhout, and AMOCA's Board of Directors for their support of our field trips, teen council, and the high school exhibition.
Hello, and thank you all for joining us. I'm thrilled to host another year of AMOCA's high school exhibition, and it's a joy to honor all of these participants in the show and the hard work they dedicate to their craft. I want to thank the school district who support the arts in their community, and I want to especially thank the teachers who fight to bring the creative arts to their classrooms and uplift every student in doing so.
With nearly 450 student submissions, this year's exhibition features work from 52 students from 32 high schools from across 15 states. We thank each and every artist for sharing your ambition and talent with us as we made our selections based on technique and execution, attention to detail, and unique narratives and concepts.
Before we begin, I would like to take a moment to share that applications will open in the summer for AMOCA's 2025-2026 Teen Council program. This is a wonderful opportunity to be immersed in AMOCA studio, learn about museums, gain professional skills, and develop your ceramic portfolio. The program includes field trips, an end-of-year exhibition, and of course, friendship. Special thanks to our Teen Council co-leads, Aida Lugo and Bianca Ramirez, for guiding our students once again this year and sharing their passion and insight with these budding artists.
Finally, we want to honor the person who made all this possible, AMOCA's founder, David Armstrong. David founded AMOCA in 2004 in Pomona, California. David's unwavering vision and dedication to ceramic arts education transformed countless lives. He created more than a museum. He built a vibrant community that continues to inspire and educate. While we will deeply miss his physical presence, David's spirit will forever resonate through our galleries and ceramic studio. Now on to the awards. We have categories for a combined 9th and 10th grade, 11th grade, and then 12th grade. There are several honorable mentions and one best of show for each category. The best in show winner for each level includes a cash award and a one-year membership to AMOCA in recognition of their achievement. So let's begin with the 9th and 10th grade awards. Our first honorable mention is Worn In by Ashley Chan Mott. This trompe-l'oeil cup, or an art piece that fools the eye, serves as an exploration of modern femininity for Ashley, using real denim to imprint lifelike texture and wiping off the underglaze for a worn-in feel. Ashley embraces the comfort and style a jean skirt serves in her self-expression. Excellent work, Ashley.
Our next honorable mention goes to Hazel Garrison for Berry and Tiles. Let's take a closer look at this tile set, which isn't hard to do as Hazel has done that work for us. This is such a fun piece that adds colorful dimension to this relief, starting with the strawberry bursting off the first tile corner, with each tile continuing to zoom in closer and closer until we are left with a vibrant, detailed yellow seeds popping off the red berry. Great job.
The final 9th and 10th grade honorable mention is Panning for Gold by Conrad Chern. Conrad takes the classic form of a Korean moon jar and adds his own flair to the piece, Panning for Gold, utilizing a blue glaze rich in iron oxide and a gold base glaze. Conrad achieves this glorious blend of earthy colors, adding a subtle spiral of clear glaze, intentionally bleeding the iron oxide and accentuating the form. Fantastic technique, Conrad.
And now we have our best in show selection, Koi Ocha by Charlotte Mount. Charlotte has created a wonderful stylized teapot blending the functional with the sculptural in what she describes as a fish out of water or a fish full of tea. Celebrating traditional Japanese design, Charlotte's use of armatures to achieve the koi's body is further accentuated in the flow of the Seigaha wave pattern and natural celadon glaze to create this masterful yet simple addition to any tea ceremony. Amazing work. It's an honor to present Charlotte's work as the best in show for the 9th and 10th grade. And now we move on to the 11th grade awards. First junior honorable mention goes to Feng-Wan Wu for Change is the Extinction of Life. Feng-Wan brings multiple materials together from clay, sulfuric paper, and wire to highlight the fragility of life through the fragility of these materials. Showcasing a skeletal bird in flight, captured frozen in time with cracks mended by blue clay, still visible but not erased, connecting the vulnerability of time with the nature of change. Thought-provoking work, Feng-Wan.
Next, we have Grandmothers by Yun Tao. This artwork is an excellent use of surface design that brings a sense of movement, historical connection, and life to this vessel, using sgraffito on terracotta to carve out images of her Korean and Vietnamese grandmothers, along with original poetry. Yoon's appreciation of the enduring nature of ceramics is employed in immortalizing scenes from her adolescence with those she holds dearest in her heart. Very touching work.
Finally, our last honorable mention goes to Caitlin Stoffergen for their piece, The Pelican. Caitlin's pelican looks like it was no easy feat. To get the realistic detail on this, Caitlin hand-carved each feather and wood grain for a fantastic level of dimension throughout the piece. She then utilizes stain and black stain wash to highlight the carved details, and finally dry brushing more colors for a more dynamic finish. Great work, Caitlin.
And now presenting the 11th grade Best in Show, Three of Swords by Axel Weeks. Axel's piece of work showcases a personal narrative with care and tenderness while demonstrating a high level of technical ability and consideration. In Axel's words, the name references a tarot card, the Three of Swords, which stands for pain, sorrow, and self-doubt, as well as the hope that one day things will be better. With the figure tearing off hands of self-doubt, Axel's detailed sculpture, with each hand sculpted separately, then attached to the body, is cold finished to complete this remarkable piece. Stunning work. And finally, the 12th grade awards.
Our first honorable mention goes to Wisteria by Kara Mortimer. Inspired by the stained glass work of Louise Comfort Tiffany from the Art Nouveau movement, Kara beautifully combines the technical with the classical in this eye-catching piece, examining the contrast between light and dark, foreground and background, solid and hollow. Each angle of this slab-built cutout piece brings a new perspective to the tranquil glow hidden amongst the hanging wisteria. Gorgeous work. Thank you, Kara.
An honorable mention goes to Croc Boy Boot by Estefany Cedra. With a humorous and surreal touch, Stephanie's aptly named Croc Boy Boot examines the relationship between nature and luxury fashion with a playful bite. It's clear that not only was Estefany employing a mastery of technical knowledge in both form and design, but was having fun doing it. Wonderful work, Estefany.
And our final honorable mention goes to Harmonie by Yina Yoon. This hyper-realistic bust blew us away, not only for its lifelike appearance, but also Yina's use of acrylic paint and colored pencil to truly bring and capture the essence of an enduring figure in a young artist's life. Yina wished to forever capture the image of her grandmother against the inevitability of time and age, to hold on to her even when words and memories might start to blur. Thank you, Yina, for sharing this tender piece with us. Finally, our closing award.
The 2025 AMOCA Annual High School Exhibition Best of Show goes to Internal Conversation by Alexandra Liu. Featured in last year's exhibition, Alexandra showed immense growth in her style and practice, which is commendable. Internal Conversation showcased two figures caught in a dance of furtive glances, twisted limbs, and secret exchanges, showing a confidence in each deliberate choice throughout the piece. Pulling from her experience as a Chinese American woman, there's a sense of reflection in identity, with each cutout section brought back to form a whole that's entirely new and alternative sense of self-expression. This act of transformation and movement is exciting to witness, and we truly look forward to the work you'll continue to make in the future. Once again, congratulations. And with that, we conclude our awards. We'd like to say a huge thank you to all the students who submitted their artwork. the teachers who have generously supported them in their practice, and to the schools that continue to provide a space for explorations in ceramic art. Stick around as we continue this presentation with the rest of our accepted artworks. Again, all of these artworks will also be viewable in our virtual gallery at amoca.org. Thank you again for participating and attending this presentation. Have a great summer.
Thank you.